Good afternoon, my name is Brad Langan. I'm with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 252 fish Yamaha boat. We'll start off at the helm here. You'll see you've got a 12-inch Simrad screen to the starboard side, phone holder in the center, charging port, compass, and a connect screen. All your switches are easily labeled and accessible down here on the dash. You have twin throttles for your engines, a no wake feature, a tilt steering wheel, easy to start controls here. You have flip down bolsters to port and starboard. Raising those back up, you can note that you have removable sea deck on the flooring. You have glove box storage down here below the helm, and even open storage here to the starboard side. I'm gonna walk you up the starboard side here and we'll go through what's up front. You have a nice storage area right here, easy to open cabinets with trash can here, tackle storage in the port side of that cabinet. Ample seating up front, an anchor locker at the very front with rod holders and cup holders built in, stereo speakers, and an island here that you can use for storage. The access to the center console is plentiful. It's even got a changing station with lots of room down below. You can easily put a storable head, fire extinguisher, and access to all the electronics. Cool features of this boat is off to the port. You have a live well here that has a glass front that you can see through, located on the port side. Moving along the port side aft, you'll see you've got rod holders back here. You've got access to more storage, engine access here in the center. The seat flips up to be able to give you a backrest. You can easily ride back here. You also have a starboard aft live well back here as well, and seating back here in the very back section with a table mount for your entertainment. That's the 252 Yamaha fish. If you have any questions, please come see us at Lake Norman MarineMax.